This really is a business that is unlike anything else, where you can find a winning product, find a product that sells tens of thousands of dollars every single month. And that's the beauty of it, is you can find a product, have it shipped there, never touch it, and start getting sales every single day and solidifying a very solid amount of money per month. One product can really change your life. One product can easily bring you $10,000 a month. That's the cool thing about Amazon. And a quick tip is, don't shoot. What's up, guys? Yep, I figured I would just take it easy today, lay back, get a little comfortable, because guess what we're talking about today? We're talking about 7 work from home jobs that you can actually start making $100 a day or more from here in 2020. And yes, these jobs are legit jobs that you can actually start working towards and working with to actually bring in a solid amount of income in which you're actually doing from home. As you know, people are moving more and more from their 9-to-5 normal job, having to commute back and forth, to actually being able to stay at home and work, relax, kick back, have your own Wi-Fi, have your own space, have your own comfortable seats, and get to work. So guys, without further ado, let's hop into this. I'm excited. I know you guys are excited. So let's get fired up and let's jump right into this right meow. What's good, guys? If you are new here, my name is Rhett Taylor, and on this channel we talk a ton about making money online, ways to work from home, how to get started and going with your own Amazon FBA business, as well as starting to hit points and topics about strengthening your mindset and really being able to control your thoughts and working on mindset to be able to build habits that just lead to lifelong success. Oh, I forgot also one more thing. One more thing we also cover on this channel is how to smash that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe down below to join the Night YouTube family and ring that bell so you're always staying up to date with the most poppin' stuff flying out of this channel 5 days a week. Let's hop right into number 1. So number 1 is a virtual bookkeeper. If you don't really know what this means, basically you are being hired to manage the finances of individuals, of entrepreneurs, of certain small or large companies, simply because they need someone else to handle that for them as they are busy running their business and doing their own things. A couple ways you can get into this is you can either go to school and get a 2 or 4 year degree, but nowadays that's not really necessary. You can do a quick course online where you can get going in a month or 2, or you can really just learn on the job. This is not something that requires a large amount of training and expertise and knowledge, and it's something that pays at least $20 per hour to do these tasks and to manage the books for all these different companies and individuals. And you can work local with local companies, so say you got a dentist around town or a doctor or a sandwich place, whatever it is, you can either work with local people or you can work with remote clients, where you can go into glassdoor.com and there are a ton of different people saying, hey, I need a bookkeeper and I'm willing to pay X. And yes, some on there require certain specifications, but most of them really do not. And there are different forms of bookkeeping, like a financial advisor and an accountant. Obviously, those are things that need actual qualifications and degrees. And that's what's cool about being a virtual bookkeeper, is there are no qualifications really needed. You can literally learn on the job and get paid $20 an hour. So number 2 is YouTube. And of course, with YouTube being one of those things that it really weeds out a lot of people, which I like. I like how success works, if you know what I mean. It weeds out a lot of people just because success takes a while. You don't just wake up overnight and do one thing and post one video and go viral and make $1 million. That's not how it works. You have to build, you have to grind, you have to work hard and be able to build up a channel and build up a following and a subscriber base to eventually get paid. It really blows me away the amount of money people actually make with YouTube. And it is really crazy that they're making videos they enjoy and they're making things that they like doing and like talking about, and they're making tens of thousands of dollars per month. And really that's what it's about, guys, is be able to find something that you love doing that you're like, oh man, this is actually fun, and you can make some serious money. It's not like we're having to go to our 9-to-5 job and get paid X amount per hour. With YouTube, you can be able to really do what you enjoy doing and get paid. Really, there's no ceiling with YouTube. And that's what's super exciting about that, just in general, is building building a YouTube channel and building a following and eventually monetizing that channel. Number 3 is being a transcriber. And basically what that is putting audio into words. People are needing this now more than ever as things are going a lot more digital, and there's a lot of audio needing to be put in for captions. For example, advertisements. When you're running advertisements on Facebook, obviously when you're rolling through your feed, all the sounds are not on, or you would just be blasted with advertisements in people's videos and all kinds of crazy stuff. So when people are running ads, they need subtitles for these advertisements. Otherwise, the people are not going to really see what the video is about, because there is no audio, because they have to click the audio on. This is a skill in a business that is on the uppity up because of the current market and situation we're in. And this has a very broad range of payment. You can either be making as low as $9 an hour, or you could be making as much as $50 per hour with this. I mean, on average, you make about $30 per hour being a transcriber, and that's not chump change right there. 30 bucks an hour is a very solid living for becoming a transcriber. One of the websites that you can go on to look into this is 3Play Media. I'll pop that up on the screen here. The number 3playmedia.com. And the second one is babbletype.com. BABBLETYPE.com. I'll pop that up on the screen as well for you. These are great websites to start your career as a transcriber. Number 4 is customer chat support. And this one's an amazing one because it's an alternative to having to talk on the phone to all these angry, terrible people. They're all pissed. They have all these stupid questions, and you're like, I hate talking to you. I hate people. No, but this one allows you to simply deal with people via messaging, via text. And so you don't have to deal with a lot of the drama that goes on with phone support, where you can easily get the answers you need from the database that the employer has, and where you can easily answer these questions. And there's a ton of different ways to actually get into this. One would simply be reaching out to fellow entrepreneurs and other people and other bigger names on the internet, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, and seeing if they have any need for customer chat support. Also reaching out to certain websites as well as software companies. And really the easiest ones to reach out to are Apple and Amazon. Both of these are hiring constantly for customer chat support, and you can easily get a job in those trillion-dollar businesses and start making a really solid amount of money from home. And number 5 is Amazon FBA. This really is a business that is unlike anything else, where you can find a winning product, find a product that sells tens of thousands of dollars every single month, find it, source it from China, and ship it to Amazon's warehouse where people buy it every day consistently, and you don't have to touch it ever. You do not ever see or touch the actual product. And that's the beauty of it, is you can find a product, have it shipped there, never touch it, and start getting sales every single day and solidifying a very solid amount of money per month. One product can really change your life. One product can easily bring you $10,000 a month. And that's the cool thing about Amazon, is you start stacking products. You start stacking winning product after winning product after winning product after winning product. And a quick tip is, don't shoot for the $1 million products. Shoot for the solid earning products that bring you consistent income, and then just use that money to stack and grow your brand and grow your business. And all of a sudden you'll be making $40,000 a month. You're like, hey, Amazon's pretty sick, right? And of course, if you're interested in learning about that, or if you want to just have a community where you can have access to me and ask questions and really just get a feel for it all, the link to the FBA Nights is down below in the description. I would love to see you in there. I will welcome you with open arms and say, welcome. How can I help? I'm happy to help. Super happy you're here. So number 6 is basically creating some kind of educational course or lesson, because there are tons of things that you are uniquely skilled in, whether you believe it or not. It doesn't have to be a massive, I'm Warren Buffett and I can teach you how to make billions of dollars in the stock market. It doesn't have to be like that. It can be simply knitting. If you're a great knitter, or maybe you're good at canoeing, or whatever it is, any kind of small, unique skill that you think could be valuable to others, it's something you could easily go on websites like Udemy or Skillshare and share those skills with people and have them pay you to learn. And I know you're thinking, you're like, dude, Rhett, my skill sucks. Like I'm not skilled in that. No one's gonna wanna learn how to canoe. Think of it like this. The world is massive, and you don't think out of the entire world there's gonna be enough people that are legitimately interested in learning the skill that you have. You're just flat out wrong if you believe that, because there just are. There's that crazy number of people in the world that there is always an opportunity for any kind of skill, small or large, to teach people about. And number 7 is a virtual assistant. And before you start throwing stones at me and saying, Rhett, this is bullcrap, Fiverr's way too competitive, Upwork's way too competitive, all of this stuff sucks. You cannot be competitive in that as a virtual assistant. There's just way too many people charging way less and you're not gonna make any money. Hold on. I'm already dodging the rocks. Hold on. There are 2 websites that are uniquely different than Fiverr and Upwork. These websites help place virtual assistants with the right people. So no, your skill has to be more valuable than background removal. But if you have a actual good skill that is valuable in the market, websites like Red Butler and Be a Virtual Assistant ECT.com, I will link that in the description because that's kind of hard to say and it's a weird URL, but both of these websites are places where you apply and get on that site, and the website actually places you with people that need your skill and value your skill to where you can actually get paid more and work for a solid employer that is not paying you $3.50 to do background removal, because that really is not in the best interest for a lot of people. And I don't want to come here and say that is the answer, go do that, because that's not realistic for a lot of people. But with this and these websites provide you with higher level of pay and the ability to be placed with high quality employers. Being able to work from home, guys, is just something that is changing the world and changing how people live their life. And I think it's just such an amazing thing to be able to do. To be able to wake up and not have to drive and commute and fight the traffic and go see your boss and all your coworkers at work is something that's just so incredible, where you can literally stay in the comfort of your own home and make a full-time income. All right, so if you have not already, hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube family. I encourage you to. No pressure at all. If you don't want to, maybe your thumb's lazy, maybe your pointer finger's a little tired. And if that's so, that's okay. No big deal. I'll catch you next time maybe. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I think this is a fantastic one with a different spread of work from home jobs that you can look into, take advantage of, and start changing your life for the better. So this is Rhett Taylor signing off. I will catch you guys next time.